time to make the dolma. I need 2 cups of timen, and this is how you measure it. Get any cube, any cup. Go. Let's fill it. 1 and 2. For 1 pot, 1 judria of dolma, you need 3 pounds of bottom round. You have to chop it up very small. I generally cut them up into slices like this. Always save the fatty pieces because then you can use those at the end. They need to come up very fine. There's no using a meat grinder because Mama says that it will not taste the same. It's officially complete. This is 3 pounds of bottom round roast. You're gonna need a very large pot or something to mix it in. I just use my huge crock pot. Throw in the meat. I don't have any more black pepper, so I'm gonna have to use this stuff. I need 1.5 tablespoons of black pepper. 24 spins equals 1 tablespoon. So I'm gonna do 36 spins for 1.5. Here we go.